Some parents are seeing these record numbers and they're worried as school opens up next week. The governor, though, hasn't wavered. Schools cannot require masks.
And this morning, the state's Department of Education gave parents the option to pull their kids out of any school that tries to enforce face coverings. So what does all this mean then? 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell is getting some answers for you.
There were two topics on the table for board members to discuss this morning. First up was a modification to the attendance rule that would allow students to get attendance credit as long as they're able to keep up with their schoolwork remotely during a COVID-19 quarantine.
To do this, school districts must have procedures in place to continue the student's education while at home. The student must have access to class assignment.
That proposition passed unanimously. Next up, board members decided whether or not to allow students to use the HOPE scholarship to transfer schools if they felt discriminated against or harassed by their school's COVID-19 health policy.
This could be on either side of whatever the mandate is. If a child, for whatever reason, is harassed by other students or anyone at the school in connection with their health protocols, this rule allows a parent to access a scholarship that they could use to go to a different public school. They could use to cross to a different district. If you happen to live near a line, you could go to another school district, or you could access a private school that accepts state scholarships.
That proposition passed unanimously as well. Board officials say the HOPE scholarship is funded by donations from car buyers. Traditionally, it's been used to give students who've experienced other types of bullying the ability to transfer schools. Now it will be able to be used in regards to COVID-19 policy. And both of these actions are effective today, so they will already be in place once school starts.
Now, we talked to an attorney to see if this is even legal. You're going to hear from them in the next hour, I should say. FYI, all of our local school districts are still leaving masks optional.